Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the lesson, 8th lesson, Will Power. What is the lesson name? Will Power. Now all of you open the page number 116 and see the lesson, Will Power. Will power means the ability to do something. Strong determination. Okay, if you have strong determination, you can do anything, whatever you think, you can do anything. So look at the photograph and answer the following questions. Now all of you look at the photograph here. See, observe the picture given and answer the following questions. What is the man doing in the picture? What is the man doing in the picture? See here what he is doing. He is running. Yes or no? This man is running. Now how he is different from other persons? How he is different from other person? This man, how he is different? Though he don't have legs, he is running. Yes or no? So he have strong determination in him that he can run, though doesn't have legs, so he is different from other persons. Now what do you learn from his life? What do you learn from his life? By observing his photograph, what you are learning from his life, you can learn. If you have willpower, you can do anything. That means if you have strong determination towards the work, you can do, you can achieve the goal, you can, that you can learn from his life. Now your teacher will tell you the story of a schoolboy who did not want to go to school because of his disability. Listen carefully and answer the following questions. Listening text is in Appendix 1. Now all of you children open page number 131 and see here the listening text about will power. Now Rahul came back from school. Who came back from school? Rahul. Rahul came from school. He threw his bag, went to the bedroom weeping. He threw his bag there and went to bed crying. Why he threw his bag? Something has happened in the school. That's why he threw his bag and started crying and went to bedroom. Now what happened, Rahul? What happened? Rahul asked his father. See, whenever you are crying, your parents will come and ask. No, here also Rahul's father came and asking him, what happened? Rahul. His father is asking, what happened? Rahul. Rahul is telling, see, everyone in my class is teasing me. What is telling? Rahul is telling to his father, everyone is making fun of Rahul. They are calling me a crippled boy. What? They are calling me a crippled boy, means damaged. Something is not working properly in his body. Therefore, I don't like the school. Therefore, he doesn't like the school. Now, that's why he is crying. Rahul, why he is crying? So, all the children in the class making fun of him because he is a disabled boy. That's why he doesn't like the school. I won't go to school. What is telling? I will not go to school. Rahul said. Rahul is telling to his father, I will not go to school because all children are making fun of me. So I will not go to school, he is telling. Rahul's father sat beside him. Rahul's father sat beside him. Now stop weeping, Rahul. What telling? Stop crying, Rahul. Father is telling, stop crying, Rahul. Though you can't walk properly like others, you are a nice boy. What is telling? Though you cannot walk properly, means that boy doesn't have legs, so he can't walk properly. You are a nice boy, said his Father is telling you cannot walk properly. If you can't walk properly also, you are a good boy. Father is telling to Rahul. No, Daddy, I can't play cricket or kabaddi like others, said Rahul. Rahul is telling his father, no Daddy, I cannot play cricket or kabaddi. To play cricket or kabaddi we need legs. So no, that's why Rahul don't have legs, so he doesn't play. He can't play kabaddi or cricket like others. Rahul is telling to father, you may not play outdoor games like cricket. What father is telling, you can't play cricket, but you are good at chess and carom, some indoor games. You are good at some indoor games. Which are that games? Chess and caroms. One day you may become a champion. What is telling his father, you will become a champion in chess and carom one day. Nobody will compete with you. Rahul's father patted Rahul. Rahul's father keeping hand on him and making him to stop crying. Of course, Daddy, but our teachers are also not happy with my performance. What telling? He's telling about the teachers in the school also. The teachers were also not happy because he was not showing good performance in his studies. That's why his teacher also not feeling very happy with Rahul. Though I am interested in studies, I could not get good marks. What he is telling, I am interested in studies, I have interest in studies, but I am not getting good marks. Rahul is telling to his father. Rahul said sadly. Now, don't worry Rahul. What telling father? Don't worry Rahul. You are learning many things in school. Not only reading and studying, you are learning many things in school. You can sing well, play chess and caroms. You need not worry about marks. See, Rahul's father what is telling, you don't worry about studies because you are good at other activities. Okay, you don't care about studies because you are good at other activities. Rahul's father is telling him, you did not worry about marks. You did not worry about marks. You can become what you want to be in your life. What is telling? You can become, if you have strong determination in other activities, you can become whatever you want. Have you ever heard of Stephen Hawking? What is asking? Father is asking to Rahul. Have you ever heard of Stephen Hawking? Stephen Hawking is a scientist. No, I haven't. What telling Rahul? No, I didn't heard about this man. I will tell you something about him. What is telling father is telling to Rahul, I will tell you something about him. You know, he could not move any of his body parts. What? You don't have only legs. You doesn't have only legs, but this Stephen Hawking cannot move any body parts properly. Yet he has become a world famous scientist. Though he cannot move any body parts, also he became a great scientist in the world. This shows disability is not a curse. What he is telling? Disability is not a punishment. Father is telling that disability is not a punishment. If you have strong power, determination in you, you can do anything. He is telling. Cheer up, my boy. Rahul's father making him to laugh, making Rahul to laugh. See children, now you listen to the text. Now answer the following questions. Why didn't Rahul want to go to school? Why doesn't want to go to school Rahul? Because all children are making fun of him. Yes or no? All the children were teasing him because he is a disabled person. So that's why Rahul doesn't want to go to school. Disability is not a curse. What do you mean by this? See, disability is not a punishment. If you have strong determination in you, strong power, willpower in you, you can do anything you want. So, you don't think disability as a punishment. Now see the text lesson. Will power means strong determination. Exactly 300 years after the death of the great scientist Galileo, Stephen William Hawking was born in Oxford. See, after the death of Galileo, Stephen Hawking was born in Oxford in England on 8th January 1942. Who was born? Stephen Hawking was born on 8th January 1942. Little did his parents know that Stephen would be hailed as one of the greatest scientists of this century. See, he was born on 8th January, no? Does his parents know that he will become a great scientist in the world before only? No. His parents also doesn't know. Our parents also doesn't know what we will become in our future. Like that only this William Hawking's parents also doesn't know that he would become a scientist or not of this century. You can see a picture. After schooling, Stephen joined University College, Oxford, and studied physics. See, this man is Stephen Hawking. He After schooling, Stephen joined University College. This man joined University College. After his completing his school education, he went to higher education, Oxford, and studied physics. He also studied physics. After obtaining a first class degree in natural sciences, he went to Cambridge to do research. See, after he completing degree in natural sciences, he went to Cambridge University in England. Since 1979, he was held the post of Professor of Mathematics, the one held by Isaac Newton in 1663. See, he was also held the post of Professor of Mathematics subject. Before that post was held by Isaac Newton. Now, at the age of 17, Stephen started noticing that he was becoming increasingly clumsy and even fell down a couple of times. See, at the age of 17, what happened to him? He is observing himself. Whenever we are not able, no, we can know easily. So, like that only, he also noticing his disability, the increasing clumsy, not able to handle anything. He even fell down many times for no reason. Shortly after his 21st birthday, what happened? See, he was taken to hospital and made to undergo a number of tests. See, after 21st birthday, this Stephen Hawking was taken to hospital and took a number of tests because he was not able to handle all the things, and he was fell down many times. So that's why he was taken to hospital and took a number of tests. He was shocked when he realized that he had an incurable disease. See, incurable means which cannot be cured. So he took many tests now, then he realized what happened. He has an incurable disease, a type of sclerosis. What is the disease then? Sclerosis, which weakened his muscles, means he cannot able to move his body parts. The physicians predicted an early death for him. What were the doctors saying? They were decided early death. He was going to die surely. He went back to Cambridge and carried on his research. Cambridge means University in England. He went there and started his research. See, though he was taken to hospital, he was took many tests. Though he cannot move his body parts, he was not decreased. His strong determination, he has willpower, so he went to Cambridge and started his research. He was not able to make much progress, means he was not connected to take much progress. He thought that he might not live for long and that his PhD would never be completed. However, he finished it. What happened? He thought, this man Stephen Hawking thought that he was taking so many tests in hospital, so he cannot complete his PhD. Doesn't think like that. He has strong determination in him, so he completed his PhD, means philosophy, doctor of philosophy. Philosophy is the study of nature and knowledge and reality. Has his scientific reputation increased, his disability got worse. See how he is becoming scientist nowadays. How he is becoming getting very famous. His disease becoming very worse. Now, even feeding himself and getting in and out of bed became difficult. Even feeding himself means even eating also become difficult for him because of the disease. To get in and out of bed also became difficult. In 1980, he had to rely upon nurses. In 1980, what happened? He totally depended upon nurses only. In 1985, he underwent an operation in the windpipe. He underwent an operation also through windpipe. Windpipe means air passes from throat to lungs. After this, he needed 24 hours nursing care. See, after this operation, what he needed? He needed 24 hours nursing care. Nowadays, now he was dependent upon nurses only, no? So that's why he need 24 hours nursing care. Before the operation, his speech was not clear. Before the operation, his talking was not clear, but at least he could communicate. Before operation, he could talk something. So the speech is not clear, but he can talk something. But after the operation, he lost his ability to speak. What happened after the operation? He cannot speak. That ability also he lost due to the operation. Now, however, a computer program specially devised for him helped him to communicate. What happened? However, some special computer program devised for him. With that, he is able to talk, communicate. Using this program, a book has been written and dozens of scientific papers have been presented. So, using these programs, so many books has written. Dozens of scientific papers has been presented. Many scientific talks have also been given. See, because he not able to move even one body parts in him, though also he introduced a computer program specially devised through which he can communicate. He was awarded medals, prizes and 12 honorary degrees. See, for that he got so many medals, prizes and degrees also. From the life of Stephen Hawking, it is understood that one need not lose hope. From his life we can understand we should not lose our hope. If we can think we can do anything, then only we can achieve anything. If we lose hope, then we cannot do anything. So don't lose hope. His life is an example that disability need not prevent one from reaching great heights. This is the inspiration to this life. His life is inspiration to everyone. Nobody can stop if we have the strong power in us, willpower in us to reach the goal. While Stephen William Hawking inspired the whole world with his uncrushable spirit and willpower, do you know who inspired him? See, with this, he is inspiring whole world. Yes or no? If we have willpower in us, we can do anything like him. Like this, he is inspiring us. He also inspired by somebody. Who is that? See, who inspired him reach such great heights? He was none other than his mathematics teacher. Who was who was Stephen Hawking, also inspired by some one of his mathematics teacher. What was his name? Dikran Tata. What was his name? Dikran Tata. He took his mathematics teacher as his inspiration and become a world famous scientist. So anybody also should not lose your hope. If you have confidence in you, you can achieve your goals easily. So don't lose your hope.